welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego vending machine. So first you get a 4x4 piece and you put 2 diagonal pieces here, so they're flat, and you put 1 flat piece here. Next you get a 1 times 2 piece and put it...
What do you do?
Bartu, just leave me alone please. And you do it here. And then you get another one and you do it here. And you do the same for this side. You can always slow the video down if you need more time. And then, so we did that. Let me just break the pieces that I just see. Because I made it on my own. And then, you just do that. I'm waiting for Bartu to do it. Yeah, to show the camera. He's using to train things. Okay, next, once you do that,
we put we do this. Okay.
I know, but you get a 1 times 2 piece, and
you put
it right here.
Yes. Allows
like that.
Right. So.
And then you get a 1 times 4 piece, and
1 times 4.
You put it right here.
1 times 4.
And
where
then
do you put your lava?
Here.
Yes. Okay. Put it on the side.
Like that.
It's really hard to put it on lava. We have to finish.
No, we're not going to finish the video yet. And then you put another 1 times 4 piece on the side.
Yes, and then you put like a 2 times 2 piece on
no, it's
here.
a 2 times 1 piece, and
yes.
you put it right
there.
Here, so it looks like this.
Like this.
And then after that, Bartu, did you do it?
Yes, I did it.
Okay. Or you can use a one with a nubble in the middle.
Well, we just use that because
can you come
that's
closer?
the best.
Let's move this thing backwards so we can both be seen. Next, you get a 1 times 4. It's a bit bigger, and you put it right here.
It's fat, so you put
like
it
that, and you get another one as well.
Well, where do you put it?
But to just catch up later, and then you put another one right next to it. And then you just make sure it's stable. You put a 1 times 2 right here. And then you put a 1 times 2 piece again here. And then you put another 1 times 2 piece right here.
How is it?
Here.
What do you do?
Like that.
Okay, so then, what to do?
Bartu, do this.
I do 2 times.
I'm not going to wait for you. Sorry.
Diagonal.
Sorry about that, guys.
What do you do?
Bartu, just copy it. And then you put
what do you do?
a 1 times 3 piece right like this.
Lava, now what do you do? Lava, what do you do now?
Oh, you did it wrong. I'll show you later, Bartu. Like this, and then you get a 1 times 4 here, and you put it like this right here.
Well, is it like this?
Like this.
And then you do this.
But I'll show you later, I said.
No,
next, you get a 1 times 2 piece.
I
feel like I've used all of them.
What?
So, yeah, I haven't.
So
you get
now
a 1 times 2, and you put it right here. Bartu, stop asking! Sorry about that.
1 times 2.
And then you get a piece that looks like this.
1 times 2.
And you put it right here.
Yes, and piece like.
Yeah. I'm just going to swap this around because I like it the other way around. So, yeah.
Where's
we're going
my orange
to
light?
put it right
Lola, where's
Okay.
my orange light? Oh.
I don't know about it. And then you get this light thing. It's like a circle, and you put it on this hole, the hole that's there, and it looks like this.
Yes. Yes, it looks like this.
Marty, move back. Next, you put a flat piece like this.
Yeah,
Right here. Right here, and then after that you get a 1x1 piece right there, and you put it right next to it like that, and then you get a 1x4 like this, and you get a 1x1 here, and you put the 1x4 right here like that, and then you put it like this, like that. Yeah. Okay. Now that. No, put this on top. Remember that one.
Oh, the thingy. There we go.
And then you get your bottle, and you put your bottle right here.
Well, where do you put it?
Marty, I'll show you later. And then you get one of these pieces, and you put it on the side like this, like that. And you get a straight piece, put it on that hole that was there. And then you get a 1x3 piece, put it there. And then you get another straight piece. You put it right there, so the top will look like that. And then you get a 4x4 piece and 2 of these ones. Connect it to the bottom like this. Put it on top. Wait. Put it on top. That's done. Now I'll just show you how it works. So you see that small hole there. You push it. Barty, I'll show you after the video. Push it in, and then the bottle drops. Here. Thanks for watching, and bye.